In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Venn diagram in Microsoft Word. If you want a simple and professional way to compare ideas, topics, or categories in a document, a Venn diagram is a great option. The good news is that Microsoft Word makes this very easy by using SmartArt. You do not need to draw circles manually or try to line everything up yourself. Word already has a built-in layout that helps you create a clean diagram in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab contains the tools you use to add different kinds of content to your document, including pictures, shapes, charts, and SmartArt graphics. Once you are on the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group. In that section, click on SmartArt. When the SmartArt window opens, you will see several categories listed on the left-hand side. These categories organize the different visual layouts available in Word. From that list, select Relationship. This section includes graphics designed to show connections, comparisons, and overlapping concepts, which is exactly what a Venn diagram is used for. After selecting Relationship, scroll down through the available options until you find Basic Venn. Click on it to preview the design, then click OK to insert it into your document. Word will place the Venn diagram directly onto the page, and you can move or resize it later if needed to fit your layout better. Now it is time to add your text. When the diagram appears, you may see a floating text pane next to it. If you do, click where it says Text and type the labels you want for each section of the diagram. This is often the easiest way to enter your content because it keeps everything organized as you type. If you prefer, you can also click directly inside each circle or shape in the Venn diagram and type your labels there instead. As you add your text, keep your labels short and clear so the diagram stays easy to read. If the wording is too long, the shapes can start to look crowded. You can always adjust the size of the diagram afterward if you need a little more room. And that's how to create a Venn diagram in Microsoft Word. Once your labels are in place, your diagram is ready to help present comparisons in a clear, visual way.